Hello friends, welcome back again to our video on tag. Here this morning I want to teach you how to make withdrawal very simple and seamless. Very simple. So if you're already a tag member, you know the day you're supposed to withdraw based on your level. So for a lot of us asking this question, look at what you do, please. But before you go to this withdrawal, there are certain things you must do. Please, if you don't set up these things, you're going to have problem. So let me teach you right now. Now, come to this mind page. First of all, go and make sure that this security, the security login, your account security is okay. Like, look at it. Click here. Click that place. If I click on that account security now, this is a change login password. I click on this. So if you already have a current password, your account security, it's a 6-digit number. If you want to change it, you can change it. But if you don't have it at all, the system will demand that you put a 6-digit number and confirm it. That 6-digit number, choose any number you know you can remember, because once you lose the security this particular security password, then you can't withdraw your money, because anytime you are withdrawing, it will be requested of. So once you are done that, you save it. And that thing you must set up before you withdraw is this bank information. You must set it up. Now, when you are setting up bank information, look at it. What you need to do, you put your, click inside this place to open and see all the banks. All the banks, including Pay, Apampe, every kind of bank you are using in Nigeria, you're going to see it there. Then put your name here, put your account number here. Now, there's something I want to say clearly. When you put your name here, for instance, let me just do something now. Let me do as if I want to type name here. Watch. This is my name. Pay attention. If you put a space, it will not go. Just watch. You see, they are all squeezed together. It's not okay. Then, but you, after having it, go and put your cursor in that middle of the name where you want to separate and click on this space. It has not separated. So for those of us, when you discover that you cannot, when you are typing, you can't do that spacing. You are worried. You are wasting your whole time. No. Type it together. But now after that, put your cursor at the middle and separate it. And it works. So you choose the bank. Look at the banks. Choose the one. And put your account number and click on save. Once you are done that, you are ready for withdrawal. So once it's time for withdrawal, all you need to do is what? You click on this withdraw. Just pay attention. You click on withdraw. It's coming up. You click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, the system is going to show you, number one, your account balance. This is important. You must be seeing this. Know how much you can withdraw. The system is also, now pay attention, I want to show you something. You can save more than 1, 2, 3, 4 account numbers. Yes. So like that first time you put one account number, you can add another one, several account numbers. So even if you make mistake in one of them, put another one. And so when it comes to withdraw, so you know you can read, for instance, let me show you now. I type into this place. You see I have 2 account details here now. So it depends on when I want to withdraw. I will not make, if I have registered up to 4 or 5 here, I keep telling a lot of people don't know how to do this. You can register up to 5 different account numbers if you have them. So whichever one now, this one is guaranteed Trust Bank GTP, so it's open. If it's open, I want to use, all I need to click, I click open. You know, the one that is showing is GT. And it's not compulsory, I will be the one to choose. See, open has replaced it. And that's what it is. Now, your name is correct here. You see it's correct. Now click inside this where you are seeing 1,000 naira is where you have an amount of withdrawal. Some people say, why are they writing 1,000? It's a drop down. Click on it and you're going to see every amount you can withdraw. Either you are withdrawing 1,000 or 3,000 or 10 or 50 or 150, 400, 1.5, 5 million or 25 million. So you cannot withdraw anything outside any of this cash. Meaning that, for instance, if you have more than 1,000, but your money is not up to 3,000, you can only withdraw 1,000. If you have less than 7,000, it's more than 3,000, but it's not up to 10,000, you can only withdraw 3,000. Do you understand? If you have, for instance, you have 100K, but you only can withdraw either 50 or 150, so you can't withdraw 150, you can't withdraw 100K. At that moment, you can only withdraw 50,000. So that money you want to withdraw, you put it. Now, you see what I told you, that security code you created on the other side, that 6-digit number, you must put it here. When you put it here, then if there's going to be a security code, a verification code they give you here, also put it. Once you put it, you click apply for withdrawal. Yes. When you now click apply for withdrawal, it has gone successfully, but the system will tell you quick key and all that. Some people, once they see that, they are confused again. They say it's not going through. It's going through. The system is telling you, don't do any other thing. We have accepted your request. Just calm down until we've done processing. Just relax yourself. In a question of few minutes and all that, your money will land. And this is exactly how to do an easy and seamless withdrawal from this system. If you follow all these instructions, make your downlines understand this thing so that they will not keep disturbing and worrying you. Do for me, complain here and there. Follow this and you will know what to do. So if you are watching this video and you are not yet a member of TAG and want to join, I encourage you. Look at the link on the description part of this video. Sign up and you're going to also see my WhatsApp number. Contact me for further questions and assistance. I'll always be there for you. Share this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.